Hello, I just joined GDI. Now what do I do? I get that question, and in case you're wondering that, let me say the first thing you do is check your email for the welcome email from your sponsor. Okay? If they're on my team, they should have a welcome email and they should have this GDI resource page in the welcome email. This has all the share codes to my funnels. It has the bridge page, it has the sales page, it has 17 capture pages, it has a lot of different things. It has the email series share code on there, okay? And some GDI resource pages will also have your sponsors advertising on there too, okay? Now realize that our advertising that we have on there is what we use. If you use something different and you like it and it's worked for you, you can take that advertising out and put yours in there, okay? This is your funnel to do exactly whatever you want with. All right. Now, after you get your GDI resource page in, also in your welcome email comes the 7-day success plan. Okay, this walks you through with 7 days, and the first day is setting up your foundation, getting your funnel set up. Well, first, of course, getting your GDI, signing up with your sponsors link, choosing your domain name, something easy and memorable, something for you that you can easily remember. Then log into your GDI dashboard and get to know it, and then get your GDI funnel. If you do not know how to set it up, and it's just share codes, because on the GDI resource page there is a link to training that shows you videos on step-by-step how to set up the capture page. It's just putting in a share code and clicking submit, and then your page pops up. And then it also shows you how to do the hardest parts of the email series. And it's not hard, it just takes time because you have to put your link in there, okay, as opposed to whoever your sponsor is, their link. All right, and then go down the other 6 days and follow each day. All right, there's so many different ways to advertise this. And what's wonderful with this funnel is you can have 16 income streams in here. The majority of them are all traffic, okay? So you don't have to join all the traffic resources, but there's suggestions. Like mine are what I've used over the years, and I'm very happy with them. Your sponsor may have different ones, and they're very happy with theirs, okay? You may, like I said, have different traffic resources. Put in what works for you. Okay, now this is set up for GDI, so if you do have another business, a primary business that you want to advertise, just send out a broadcast email, okay, to your list as it's growing. So this is, and follow there's the 6-day success plan, there's social media training in there, there's a talk about, the mailers and the other places to advertise are pretty self-explanatory. Just click the links, and most all of them have training in the website themselves, okay? So this is what you do. You get your funnel hooked up, and then start going down the 7-day success plan. Okay, this is not get rich quick. Do not expect to get in this in boom, you're going to have success in the first month. Okay? Could you? Yes, you could. But, this is, look at it in a year span. Within a year, you're going to have times where you hit valleys where it's really quiet, where like you're advertising every day, and it's like you're shouting into a void and there's nobody there. Believe me, I know what you mean. Okay? And then all of a sudden, you're going to hit a day where you hit on top of a mountain and you're getting signups for GDI and signups for Leads Leap, which is our funnel system, and you're getting signups for the traffic resources, and it's just flying, okay? But you got to get through the valleys to get to the peaks, to the high, okay? This is not get rich quick. they're telling you that, it's wrong. If they're telling you they can do it for you and send you signups and stuff, chances are you're going to quit before you become successful, before you get there, okay? So I'm just being real with you here, okay? This is not get rich quick by any means. This takes time to build, takes foundation. You can put 30 to 40 years in a job. Why do you think that you would give up after 3 months of a $10 business? It's $10, okay? When you can put 3 years into this, really focus on this, teach yourself new things. Social media is free, guys, okay? You can learn to do social media. It's free advertising, all right? And grow GDI, grow lead sleep. You're growing your list, you're growing your leads, you're growing your sales, okay? So go ahead down to the link and get your join, opt-in, join GDI, and then look for your your welcome email from your sponsor. Okay, if somebody sent you to this video, go back to the person that introduced you, okay, and just join our team, and you'll get all the resources that we have. Okay, God bless. And if this helped, please like and subscribe so you can catch my next video. Okay, my next video is going to be about the income. Okay.